Hi everyone, happy holidays! Today I'm going to show you how to make some easy and quick Oreo balls. This recipe is great for the holidays when you just want to whip up a snack and you don't know what to do. They're no bake, so it's really quick and easy. For this you're going to need 18 regular Oreos with their creams, and we're just going to grind them down. Once the cookies are crumbs, we're going to add 100 grams of cream cheese and mix that for a minute until they come together. The mixture will look quite fudgy and dense. That's perfect, that's exactly how you want it. Now we're just going to roll tablespoonfuls of the Oreo mixture into balls and set them aside for 15 minutes. I usually get around 12 out of this batch, out of 18 Oreos. You can easily double or triple the recipe, that's entirely up to you. A lot of recipes state to freeze the Oreo balls after shaping them. I don't do this because when I cover them in chocolate, the coating would always crack. Instead, I leave them on the counter and it works perfectly fine. So for the coating, we're just going to take 1 cup of chocolate chips and melt them in either a microwave or you can do it on the stove, that's entirely up to you. Melt them and add a couple of tablespoons of oil to thin out the chocolate so it's easier to coat the balls afterwards. Dip the Oreo balls in chocolate and tap off any excess. You need to work quickly because the chocolate will begin to solidify. Absolutely love this process. However, because of the time constraints, I didn't have enough time to get my kids to help out. Otherwise, usually this is something that we do together. Allow the Oreo balls to set, and then we can get on with our white chocolate topping. You just want to melt around 2 tablespoons of white chocolate. Again, mix that with a little bit of oil to thin it out, and drizzle the chocolate on top. These are great. They can stay in the fridge for up to 3 weeks and in the freezer for up to 2 months, but they only last a couple of days in my house. How about you guys get to making? Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below and share this recipe with all your friends so that they too can make fantastic Oreo balls for the holiday season. Much love and have a good one. Bye.